This video shows a really simple and smart way to make a homemade underground worm helper. It is a great project because it feeds your plants right at their roots, gives the worms in your yard a great place to eat, and makes amazing rich soil right inside your garden bed. Instead of throwing away your kitchen scraps, you can use this trick to turn waste into natural plant food without any extra daily work. To build this, you just need a few basic things that you might already have lying around. The main part is an old pipe. You can easily use leftover pieces from old drainage or electrical projects. Recycling these old parts is a great way to save money and help the environment. For this project, you need 2 long pieces of pipe and 1 T-shaped joint connector. The first step is to get the pipes ready for the worms. Take a drill or another tool to poke holes all over the 2 long pipes. Make sure these holes are big enough for worms to crawl through easily, but not so big that the pipe fills up with dirt. Once you have made holes all over both pipes, push one end of each long pipe into the side openings of your T-shaped joint. Now you have a long straight pipe with a middle opening pointing up. Next, take a small short piece of pipe and attach it to that top opening of the T-joint. This short piece will stay above the ground so you can add food later. Now it is time to put your system in the ground. Find a good spot in your garden bed, right near the plants that need the most food. Dig a hole or a trench that matches the shape of your pipe structure. When you put the pipes in, make sure the long parts with the holes are deep enough to sit right where your plant's roots grow. Only the very top part of the T-joint and the short extra piece of pipe should stay above the dirt. Fill the dirt back in around the pipes and pat it down gently so the structure stays firmly in place. Next, you need to prepare the food for your worms. Gather up your kitchen scraps, like fruit peels and vegetable pieces. It is a very good idea to chop these scraps into small bits. Small pieces rot much faster, which makes it a lot easier for the worms to eat them quickly. Take your chopped fruit peels and pour them right down into the open top of the pipe. Since the food might get stuck in the middle, take a long stick and gently push the scraps down and outward so they spread into both of the long side pipes. This ensures the food fills up the whole system. To finish up and get things moving quickly, add a few handfuls of ready-made worm compost or just regular garden compost down the tube. This brings in good bacteria that start breaking down the food right away. Finally, pour a little bit of water down the pipe. Worms love moisture and need it to live and move around. The water helps soften the food and speeds up the whole process. Soon, the worms in your garden will smell the food, crawl through the holes to eat, and leave behind rich nutrients that make your plants grow big and strong.